Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. I'm going to do some unboxing here from my latest Scentsy order, and I think you're going to love it. So first up is the NFL mini warmers. The detail on these warmers is just amazing. Look, there's a little play on the back, and this will all light up. But where are my cowboy fans? This would be a great addition to your home to be able to support your team. We also have the full-size ones, and I know you've seen me do pictures with those before. But now we have mini ones. They're $25, and they come in every team. Next is the the holiday Scentsy bar 3-pack. So now these bars only come in a 3-pack unless you add them to your club order. Then you can get them individually, but they only come in a 3-pack, so you can't add this to a 6-pack. But first up is, I'm gonna do my least favorite one first. Now, it's only my least favorite because I don't like pine, but if you love pine scents, you're wanting a really good pine, Mighty Pine is going to be it. It's fresh cut pine trimmed with icy lavender, shined through crisp mountain air. I made samples of this, and I'm telling you, I don't love pine, but if you love pine, this is gonna be a must-have for you, okay? Next up is Joy and Wonder. So this is bright red currant, black raspberry, and cinnamon sticks. So it's like a berry and a cinnamon mixed together. It's very nice. I loved warming this one. So this is my second favorite. Joy and Wonder, and my most favorite is Mulled Cider and Spice. So this is Juicy Blood Orange is the star of sweet fruit cider and cinnamon. So you guys, this is so Christmassy in my opinion. It's got it's got orange, so it's fresh citrusy smell, but then that deep cinnamon spicy smell that you want at Christmas time. So this one, my ultimate recommendation. So if you have a club order and you only want to try this one, add this one to your club. Otherwise, get a 3-pack and then tell me what your favorites are. Okay, they also come in pods. Of course, I did not buy the pine pods, but I bought the mulled cider and the Joy and Wonder. And some of our scents smell slightly different in a pod, but these are very similar. The berry definitely comes out a bit more in the Joy and Wonder, so I'm wondering when I actually put it in the wall fan, if the cinnamon will then come out once it starts getting pushed out. So, but both of these, very good favorites. This fragrances also come in our fragrance flowers, which I don't have one right now, but I also received our Whiff Box of the month for October, and this month is a baking one. So we're gonna bake up some goods. Our Whiff Box always comes with a great little handout or something that you can do as an activity with your kids or by yourself. This month we have a fragrance flower in vanilla bean, and so our fragrance flowers are so amazing because you can color them with Sharpies if you'd like and make them your own unique thing. Our solo wood flower is in this little container here, so you take it out and then you can just, with a Sharpie before you put it in the oil, you can color the edges and it will soak down in and make a beautiful flower. Beautiful colors when you're all done. So this is vanilla bean buttercream, which smells like cake. You could eat it, but you don't want to. I mean, it smells like you could eat it anyway. But yeah, so this wick goes down into our fragrance oil. So it's fragrance for anywhere that you don't have a plug, anywhere that you want, maybe at your desk, at your office, where you want a little bit of smell, but nothing too overpowering. It just looks really nice once it's all put together. And I can show you one a little bit later that's all put together. Okay, and then you get our scent of the month. Next month is Icicles and Evergreen, so you get a big sample of this to try out and see what you think before next month. This month we get cookie cutters, star cookie cutters. So I know a lot of people are making cookies, cutouts, sugar cookies this time of year. You get an almond croissant room spray, baked apple pie bar, cinnamon buttercream bar, which is one of our brand new fragrances, and a sugar cookie scent circle for your car, closet, anywhere you want to hang and get some fragrances. The nice part about these scent circles is that you can refresh them with 2 spritzes of the room spray. So you can reuse these. This is old school method. Back in the old days when this is all we had was bar, warmer, this and this. And so this is what we did. We refreshed the scent circles with a room spray. So that's an old school tip, right, from us. So you get all of this. You get the fragrance flower, the scent circle, the 2 bars, the room spray, the cookie cutter, and the large sample this month. And it is $30. And this is 16, 8, 3, and 12. So that would be $39 worth of product for $30. So that should be pretty good. I mean, it's a great deal. And it comes with a cute box. You can reuse these boxes to store things in. That's what we use them for. We put things that we need to keep for a while in there, but you can break it all apart. You can use it as Christmas gifts. Like, there's so many things that you can do with our Whiff Boxes every month, but it's a good way to try a product that you've never tried before. So they are a surprise box. Sometimes the contents can vary. So we just want to make sure you are aware of that it could vary. Okay, well, that's my haul today. I'm so excited to share it with you. And if you need any help with anything, I'm here. I'm happy to suggest scents. I love what I do, and so I would love to help you. Okay, have a good day. Till next time. Bye.